Imagine having access to the most powerful AI models on Earth in one single dashboard without paying monthly fees. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a brand new AI tool called Claud Hub, and this one claims to give you access to multiple Claude AI models like Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku, all in one place. Now here we will discuss about the problem. If you want to use advanced AI tools, you usually have to pay for multiple subscriptions, switch between platforms, and still not get the best results. It becomes expensive and honestly confusing. That's exactly where Claud Hub comes in. It's an all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to powerful AI models from Anthropic inside a single dashboard. Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link to Claud Hub down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. Now, these bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with Claud Hub. So let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is a full digital marketing course. A complete step-by-step digital marketing course covering SEO, social media, and affiliate marketing to help you start and grow your online income from scratch. Bonus number 2, Done-for-You YouTube Channel Setup Pack. A complete Done-for-You YouTube channel setup pack, including niche selection, channel branding, optimization, and ready-to-use templates to help you launch your channel instantly. Bonus number 3, Video Marketing Mystery. A powerful video marketing guide that reveals hidden strategies to create engaging videos, boost traffic, and turn viewers into paying customers. Bonus number 4, Faceless YouTube Automation Course. A step-by-step faceless YouTube automation course that shows you how to create, grow, and monetize YouTube channels without showing your face. Bonus number 5, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle 2026. A curated bundle of the top 20 AI tools to help you create content, automate tasks, and boost productivity for your online business. Grab these bonus bundle before it's gone. And again, this bonus is included for free when you use my link. Now, let's return to member area that how is work.
Stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes. Because I'm about to show you why everyone is switching to Claude and why it's being called the most powerful AI on Earth. And more importantly, how you can access all Anthropic's Claude models with 0 monthly fees. Over the past year, something unexpected happened. A new AI started outperforming almost everything else on the market. Not just in speed, not just in features, but in intelligence. That AI is built by Anthropic, and it's called Claude. So what makes Claude so powerful? Claude isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to think deeper, understand context better, and produce more human-like, high-quality outputs. And that's exactly why marketers are switching, creators are switching, businesses are switching. Everyone is moving toward Claude. Because when you compare the results, the difference is obvious. Claude gives you better writing, better reasoning, better accuracy, better outputs, which means better results for you. But here's the problem. To access this level of AI power, you usually have to pay monthly. $20 per month for basic access, $100 plus per month for higher tiers, even $200 plus per month for full power. And it never stops. Every new version, every upgrade, more money. So even though Claude is powerful, accessing it fully becomes expensive. That's why we build something different, something smarter, something simpler, something more powerful. Introducing Claud Hub, AI-centralized AI platform powered by Anthropic's Claude models that gives you access to all Claude models, current plus upcoming versions, with Pro, Max, and Enterprise level access, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool. This is your complete Claude AI command center. Here's what happens after you activate Claud Hub. You log in. You choose any Claude model, Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku. You type what you want, and instantly, Claude generates powerful, high-quality results. Sales copy, emails, scripts, ideas, content in seconds. which means no switching between tools, no paying for multiple subscriptions, no limitations, just results. And here's where it gets even better. Claude isn't just fast, it's smart. Built for deep reasoning, human-like writing, high accuracy. So your outputs don't just come faster, they come out better. Better content, better clarity, better conversions. And yes, it's beginner-friendly. No tech skills needed, no complicated prompts. If you can type, you can use Claud Hub. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to access this level of Claude power, you'd be paying every single month. But today, you don't have to. With Claud Hub, you get everything with a simple one-time payment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just activate it once, and it's yours. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So now the decision is yours. Do you keep paying monthly for limited AI tools, or do you unlock the full power of Claude in one place? If you're ready to create high-quality content instantly, replace multiple AI tools, save hundreds every month, scale your productivity, and finally use AI at its full potential, then click the button below, activate Claud Hub, and unlock the most powerful AI system available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress. Just powerful AI working for you. Your move starts now.
Let's take a quick pros and cons of the product. Pros: all-in-one AI dashboard, multiple model access, beginner-friendly, no monthly cost. Cons: may not be official direct access to Claude models. Results can vary depending on prompts. It's a new tool, so long-term reliability is unknown.
Now you will see here inside the member area that how it's work.
That gives you access to Anthropic's Claude models, including Pro, Max, and Enterprise-level intelligence, all from one dashboard. Once you log in, you enter a clean, powerful dashboard designed for speed and simplicity. Everything you need right in front of you. With Claude Hub AI Chat, you can ask questions, generate ideas, write content, and get human-like intelligent responses instantly. Start a new conversation. Select any Claude model based on your needs and start chatting. Need content? The AI writer creates sales pages, emails, ads, blog posts, all in seconds. Turn your text into natural voiceovers, perfect for videos, ads, and content creation. Over the past year, something unexpected happened. A new AI started outperforming almost everything else on the market. That AI is built by Anthropic, and it's called Claude. So what makes Claude so powerful? Claude isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to think deeper, understand context better, and produce more human-like, high-quality outputs. Create stunning visuals, thumbnails, and graphics with powerful AI image generation built in. So if you're ready to work smarter, create faster, and unlock real AI power, get Claude Hub now.
Now let's talk about the pricing and how this works. Claude Hub is currently available for a one-time payment, which means no monthly fees, no recurring costs, just pay once and get full access. Inside, you're getting access to multiple Claude AI models, content creation tools, and everything in one dashboard. And here's the best part. When you get access through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonuses designed to help you start faster and actually make money with this. But keep in mind, this is a limited-time launch offer, and the price can increase anytime. So if you're interested, click the link below and secure your access before it's gone. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.